AI, artificial intelligence. It's all the rage and it's capturing headlines everywhere you look. It's supposed to make us faster, more productive, more efficient, and perhaps even give us a bright, shiny smile and straight teeth, although that has not been confirmed. For many years, Siri and Alexa have been the go-to personal assistant. Sitting on our phones and counters, they provide directions, order our coffee, and tell bad jokes. But now, AI has exploded onto the scene with a deeper data set, more accuracy, greater abilities, and the means to think, respond, and sound more human. Over 80% of Fortune 500 companies are using AI, and over 90% of businesses plan to expand its usage in 2025. So today I'm going to have a little check-in with the state of AI, its abilities, integrations, and some useful ways that we here at Stiles Financial are using it. I'm Glenn Gray, Digital Brand Connector, and joining me will be some popular LLMs, large language models, that many of you are already familiar with to get their perspective and input. First, we'll talk with ChatGPT.
Sure. Thanks, Glenn. Hi, everyone. I'm ChatGPT. I'm here to help answer questions, provide insights, and maybe share a joke or two along the way. Looking forward to our chat.
ChatGPT burst onto the scene in November of 2022 and hit over 1 million users within the first 5 days. How was that experience? Was it exhilarating or scary?
It was definitely exhilarating. The response was overwhelming in a good way, and it was exciting to see how many people were interested in exploring what I could do.
It seems that, right away, students found ways of abusing the power of ChatGPT, and the ethics of AI instantly became an issue. How do you recommend using ChatGPT to avoid these issues?
That's a great point. I always recommend using me responsibly by double-checking information, being mindful of privacy, and using me to support learning and productivity. It's important to remember I'm a tool, and how I'm used is ultimately up to the user.
Let's talk about the types of inputs that you can analyze and what the term multimodal means.
No worries. Multimodal means I can process different types of inputs like text, images, and audio. So if you show me a document or a picture, I can understand it and respond accordingly.
In the financial sector, compliance and security of personal data is tantamount. Can ChatGPT be used in a secure environment, behind a firewall, or is it mostly an open web content application?
Absolutely. I can be integrated into secure environments behind a firewall. Many companies customize and deploy models like me on their own infrastructure, ensuring data privacy and compliance. So it's not just limited to open web use.
What are the different GPT versions you offer, and what are their strengths?
Yeah, there are a few. Each version has its strengths. GPT 3.5 is great for general use and faster responses. GPT-4 is more advanced, offering deeper context understanding and better nuance. There are also specialized versions for different tasks, like coding or creative writing. Each one is designed to meet different needs.
Tell us a little bit about custom GPTs and how they can function within a company.
Custom GPTs are tailored models that companies can fine-tune for specific tasks. They can be trained on unique data sets, ensuring they align with a company's needs and tone. This way, they offer more personalized and relevant assistance, whether it's for customer service, internal knowledge bases, or specific industry applications.
Financial companies have been utilizing algorithms to analyze the market since the 1970s. How does the addition of AI affect the process of market analysis?
AI enhances market analysis by processing vast amounts of data more quickly and accurately than traditional algorithms. It can identify patterns, trends, and insights that might be missed otherwise, offering predictive analytics and real-time decision support. This leads to more informed and strategic investment decisions, helping financial companies stay competitive.
How do you handle bias or hallucinations? And when is it important for an actual human to get involved?
Great question. Bias and hallucinations can occur, so it's crucial to have human oversight, especially for critical decisions. Regularly auditing and updating the model, along with diverse training data, helps minimize bias. Humans are essential for interpreting nuanced situations and ensuring ethical use.
Earlier this year, DeepSeek came out with a fast, cheap GPT that shook up the market. But questions still linger on the security of your input data, due to it being a Chinese company, and if it's really as cheaply made as they claim. If you want more information, check out Mark's video from a couple weeks ago. Next up, I've got Perplexity here in the studio. Perplexity, why don't you say hello?
Hello there. How can I assist you today? I'm here to help with whatever you need.
So, you are another LLM. Much like ChatGPT, what sets you apart? Talk about your footnote features and why that's so important, especially within the financial sector where tracking and accuracy are so important.
What sets me apart is my ability to search the web in real time and provide footnotes with sources for the information I give. This is particularly important in the financial sector, where accuracy and tracking are crucial. The footnotes help ensure transparency and allow users to verify the information I provide, which is key for making informed decisions.
What does the extension GPT stand for? And why is the T so important?
GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. The T in GPT is crucial because it refers to the transformer architecture, which is key to how these models process and generate language. The transformer mechanism enables the model to understand context and relationships in data, making it effective at generating coherent and contextually relevant responses.
Lastly, explain the difference between a GPT and an AI agent.
A GPT, like ChatGPT, is a language model focused on generating and understanding text based on the input it receives. An AI agent, on the other hand, is a broader concept. It can include various AI models, not just language-based ones, and is designed to perform tasks, interact with environments, or make decisions. While a GPT can be a component of an AI agent, the agent itself usually has a broader scope of capabilities.
AI agents will very soon revolutionize our lives by their ability to perform complex tasks using multiple sources. But importantly, they still require human inputs throughout the process. So we're still in control. That's an important distinction. Lastly, I like to utilize Google's Notebook LM for their ability to control the data set and use it for a Q&A on the subject matter. You can tag any public website, add documents and PDFs, and then ask it questions based on those inputs. So if you have the SEC website as an input, you can ask Notebook LM about regulations, and it will give you an answer that's much faster than combing the site or scanning a 200-page document for answers. Another cool feature is their podcast-like conversation they create on your topic. I've used today's Financial Flash as the source and have asked them to take a deep dive into this topic. Check it out in the link below. Earlier, I mentioned the ability of AI to generate real-looking images, video, and audio that is blurring the lines between real and AI. I think it's important to understand both what AI can do and what it shouldn't do.
Our scientists have done things which nobody's ever done before.
Yeah, but your scientists were so preoccupied with whether or not they could, they didn't stop to think if they should.
We here at Stiles Financial believe that technology that can make us more proficient, accurate, and deliver better client outcomes should be utilized where it fits.
That's a great perspective. Combining powerful AI tools with a human touch ensures clients get the best of both worlds. It's that personalized connection that makes a real difference.
Many of the services we use have integrated AI into their functionality to make them more powerful and customizable, which is great. But the guiding light here at Stiles Financial is the personalization we provide. This goes way beyond custom portfolio building. We're talking about touch and connection, sitting across the table from the actual people who chose your stocks, prepared your retirement plan, or answer your phone calls. It's the ability to learn from each other, ask questions, and understand each other on a deeper level. This is something that AI can't do, and frankly, even if it could, we wouldn't even consider it. AI is not going away. It will change the landscape of jobs, power demands, and content creation. For arm's-length content like this, it works great. As a matter of fact, I'm actually an avatar of Glenn that was created using HeyGen. It looks and sounds just like me, which is cool. But when you come to one of our events, you can rest assured knowing that I will be here in the flesh to shake your hand and talk your ear off about AI. Any last words?
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, whether it's AI or human expertise, it's all about making those connections.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.
The Financial Flash is created by the experts at Stiles Financial Services, creating customized portfolios that fit your unique lifestyle and goals.